Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Olivia Collins, and if you're new here, this is where we talk about real science, natural health, and practical ways for men to stay strong, confident, and full of energy at any age. Today, we're going to tackle something most guys won't bring up with their buddies, but definitely search online at 2 a.m. What if your morning coffee could actually help with the bedroom challenges that often start showing up after 50? It might sound like clickbait, but stay with me, because the science behind this is real and surprisingly fascinating. I've spent years helping men restore their energy, balance their hormones, and improve circulation without relying on pills or quick fixes. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what to add to your coffee to boost blood flow, support healthy testosterone levels, and yes, improve erections, using simple natural ingredients you can buy at any grocery store. No exotic mushrooms, no expensive supplements, just smart, evidence-based choices. Let's start with coffee itself. Most of you already drink it every morning. Sure, caffeine gives you a short-term circulation boost, your heart beats faster, your blood moves quicker, and you feel more awake. But that's just like revving your engine in neutral. You're not actually improving the system. What most men don't realize is that coffee can act as a powerful delivery system for nutrients. When you drink something hot, your blood vessels open slightly, your digestion speeds up, and whatever you add is absorbed more effectively. Think of it as a natural fast lane straight into your bloodstream. Here's where things go wrong. Most guys load their coffee with sugar, flavored creamers, or those sugar-free chemicals that disrupt hormones. That combination raises inflammation, wrecks insulin sensitivity, and damages the very blood vessels that need to be healthy for proper erections. It's like trying to make your car run smoother by pouring sand in the tank. The first thing I tell my patients to add is cinnamon, real cinnamon, not cinnamon sugar or coffee syrups. About half a teaspoon in your morning cup is enough. Cinnamon does something few people talk about. It stabilizes your blood sugar, and blood sugar control is absolutely vital for sexual health. When blood sugar spikes and crashes, it gradually damages the tiny blood vessels in the penis, the ones thinner than a strand of hair that need to be fully functional to fill with blood. High blood sugar is like pouring syrup through your circulatory system. It makes everything sluggish and sticky. Cinnamon helps by improving insulin sensitivity by up to 20%. That means your body processes sugar more efficiently, keeping your vessels healthy and your circulation strong. It also relaxes blood vessels and reduces inflammation. In one study, just half a teaspoon a day led to blood pressure improvements comparable to medication. Healthier vessels mean better blood flow and better performance. There's another bonus. Cinnamon reduces sugar cravings. That 3 p.m. urge for something sweet, it starts to fade. Less sugar means less belly fat, and belly fat is one of the biggest testosterone killers out there. Every inch around your waist correlates with lower testosterone. Next up is cacao powder, not cocoa, not hot chocolate mix, but raw, unsweetened cacao. The difference matters because processing removes most of the beneficial compounds. Add 1 teaspoon to your coffee. This one is powerful because cacao is loaded with flavonoids, especially epicatechin, which boosts nitric oxide production. If you've ever wondered how those blue pills work, they help your body use nitric oxide more effectively. Cacao helps your body make more of it naturally. Nitric oxide is what signals your blood vessels to relax and open up, making erections easier, firmer, and more consistent. Studies show that men who regularly consume cacao have blood vessel function similar to men 10 to 15 years younger. Cacao also contains phenylethylamine, the same compound your brain releases when you're in love or aroused, so it actually boosts mood and interest. Plus, it's rich in magnesium, which helps regulate testosterone and supports muscle relaxation. The flavor turns your coffee into a natural mocha without the sugar bomb. Add a small pinch of sea salt to bring out the chocolate flavor and provide trace minerals your body needs. The third addition is maca root powder. This ancient root has been used for centuries to support male vitality and stamina. The Incan warriors used it before battles for strength and endurance. Modern science confirms its benefits. It doesn't directly increase testosterone, but it helps your body use the testosterone you already have more effectively. It lowers cortisol, your main stress hormone, and high cortisol is one of the biggest testosterone blockers. Add 1 teaspoon of maca to your coffee. It has a mild, nutty flavor with a hint of butterscotch. Studies show that men who take maca daily report improved libido and erectile function within about 8 weeks. It's not instant, but it's real, lasting progress. Because maca is an adaptogen, it helps your body manage stress, one of the biggest hidden causes of erection problems in men over 50. Now, don't start by throwing all 3 ingredients into your coffee at once. That's a quick way to upset your stomach and quit. Start slow. Week 1, add just the cinnamon, half a teaspoon in your morning coffee. Notice how your energy and focus feel more stable throughout the day. Week 2, keep the cinnamon and add a teaspoon of raw cacao. You might need a small frother to blend it well. The taste will remind you of a cinnamon mocha. Week 3, if you're feeling good, add a teaspoon of maca. Some guys prefer alternating cinnamon and cacao one day, cinnamon and maca the next. The key is consistency. Drink your upgraded coffee in the morning, ideally before 10 a.m., to get the circulation benefits when you're active. Avoid caffeine late in the day since poor sleep lowers testosterone, which defeats the purpose. Here's where many men go wrong. They add sugar or chemical creamers, which completely cancel the benefits. If you need sweetness, use a bit of raw honey or pure stevia. For creaminess, go with unsweetened almond or coconut milk. You can also add a teaspoon of coconut oil or grass-fed butter and blend. It provides healthy fats your body uses to produce hormones. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 cups of this version per day. Too much caffeine can raise cortisol and blood pressure, both of which harm your progress. And don't drink it late in the day, hoping it'll help your evening plans. The caffeine will interfere with your sleep, which lowers testosterone even more. Let's talk about what to expect. This isn't a quick fix. You won't drink it once and see instant results. This works by restoring your system gradually. During the first week, you'll likely notice steadier energy and better focus thanks to cinnamon's effect on blood sugar. By weeks 2 to 4, you may notice improved circulation, warmer hands and feet, better color, and more consistent morning erections. That's a great sign. By the 2nd or 3rd month, the benefits compound. Better hormone balance, stronger blood flow, reduced inflammation, and a genuine return of energy and confidence. One patient once told me after 3 months, "Doc, I forgot this is how I used to feel all the time." That's the goal, not superhuman results, but getting back to your natural, healthy baseline. Here's the bottom line. You're already drinking coffee every morning. You can keep loading it with sugar and chemicals that hurt your health, or you can turn it into something that actually supports your body. For maybe an extra $1 a day, you're improving circulation, hormones, and inflammation naturally. This isn't a miracle cure. It's about giving your body the right tools to perform the way it's designed to. These 3 ingredients, cinnamon, cacao, and maca, target the root causes of performance problems: poor circulation, hormone imbalance, and chronic inflammation. Fix those, and everything else improves. So tomorrow morning, try it. Start with cinnamon. Give it a month. The worst case, your coffee tastes a bit different. The best case, you start feeling more like yourself again. If you try it, share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more real science-based talk about men's health. Sometimes the best thing you can do for yourself or for a friend is share the right information. Your body is more capable and resilient than you think. Sometimes it just needs the right support, and your morning coffee might be the perfect place to start.